It is a seller's market. We've heard that term, but what does it actually mean for you if you're buying, selling, or even renting a home?
Stella, I know you spoke with a real estate agent, someone also looking to rent a home, to get the big picture of the rental market here.
Yeah, I found out that what is good for some people is definitely causing problems for others out there.
And it'll actually, once you're done signing it, you can still review it as well, too.
Oh, okay.
Gloria Caldiron is going over the details with her clients. She's getting ready to put their northeast side home on the market.
The economy's been boosted, so that's a good thing. It's a hot seller's market, but it's just with different dynamics. Nice big back patio on the north.
Caldiron has been a real estate agent for 16 years. She says her clients, like others around Tucson, probably won't have a hard time finding a buyer for their home.
We've gotten so used to these screaming low interest rates of crazy 2-3%, and now they're creeping into the 4s and now into the 5s. So the buyers are getting a little anxious that they really wanted to get into the market again and invest.
And the numbers back up what Caldiron is saying. The multiple listing service for Southern Arizona tracks statistics for the realty market. In May of 2018, their stats show that fewer homes are for sale, and the homes that are on the market are selling for more. But the good news for sellers means fewer homes on the market to rent, something Sharon Elliott is familiar with.
I'd go and look for a house, and there'd be 20 other people at the showing at the house. It was pretty insane.
So the rental market definitely follows the seller-buyer market, the homeowner market, and the inventory is very low in the rental market as well.
Even if renters find an open home, Caldiron says there are several obstacles between seeing the for rent sign and getting the keys.
A good rental will come up and it's got applications on it from 4 or 5 different, folks wanting to put their application in.
And even if you get those keys, they might cost you a pretty penny. Elliott is currently in an apartment with her family.
It's very small, very cramped, doesn't really meet the needs of our family of 5. So we're still looking on a month-to-month basis.
And she's still looking for a more permanent place to call home.
It's still insane. There's not a lot on the market, and it's very competitive still as well.
Caldiron says one thing that can make it easier on renters, landlords giving an ample warning that they're getting ready to put their home on the market.
If you're a seller and you have that notion that you would like to get into the market and get the home sold, that you communicate that as soon as possible with your tenant. Because of the low inventory, they may need a lot longer time to kind of to find something else.
I think it's just going to be a wait-and-see approach, and we'll stay in the apartment until it calms down a little bit, hopefully.
And Gloria told me now is the time to buy because interest rates are slated to go up. And if you're looking to move, we've got the latest trends for neighborhoods in Tucson on our website, kgun9.com. And Pat, I can speak from experience because we were renters, and 30 days, 40 days is not enough time. Right. It's a lot of stress, and we were put in that situation. So be considerate.
Yeah, it is a stressful time right now in the market here in Tucson, whether you're buying, renting, or you're a landlord, I suppose.